Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Buddha shows mystic powers through his original vow, illuminating all in the 10 directions. What the Buddha practiced of yore, all is expounded in these networks of light. There is no end of worlds in all directions, no equals, no bounds, each one distinct. Buddha's unhindered power emits a great light, clearly revealing all of those lands. At that time, the Buddha's lion seat, its round platform of exquisite flowers of many jewels, its base, steps, doors, and all its embellishments, each produced as many great enlightening beings as there are atoms in a Buddha land. Their names were Oceanic Wisdom, Sovereign King of Occult Powers, Thunder Shaking All, Topknot of Lights of Many Jewels, Bold Intelligence of the Sun of Knowledge, Seal of Knowledge made of jewels of inconceivable qualities, 100-eye Lotus Topknot, Light spheres of golden flames, universal sound of the cosmos, cloud sound pure moon, banner of light of benevolent courage. These were the leaders, and there were as many of them as atoms in many Buddha lands. At the same time as they appeared, these enlightening beings each produced clouds of various offerings. For example, clouds of flowers of all jewels, clouds of all subtle fragrances of lotus blossoms, clouds of orbs of jewel lights, clouds of fragrant flames of boundless realms, clouds of jewel-like light spheres from the treasury of the sun, clouds of all pleasing musical sounds, clouds of flames of light from all jewel lamps, with boundless colors and forms, clouds of branches, flowers, and fruits from trees of many jewels, clouds of regal jewels with inexhaustible pure radiance, clouds of all the finest decorative gems. There were as many such clouds of various offerings as there are atoms in a Buddha world. Each of those enlightening beings produced such clouds of offerings unceasingly, raining on the oceanic assemblies at all enlightenment sites.